As soon as you get your board, you need to jumper the jumpers on the bottom of the board. The way you do this is to solder between the two pads connecting them. For Tyrannus and Futaba, you need to jumper INV. For most everything else, you need to jumper NOR for normal. All you need to do is solder between the two jumpers. So for Tyrannus and Futaba, I would solder between these two pads. And for everything else, I would solder between these two pads. It's best to jumper both jumpers when you're jumpering. Then you choose your voltage, which almost everything uses 5 volts with the exception of some Spectrum receivers. So if you're using those Spectrum receivers, check your voltage and jumper between these two. But most everything else, you're going to jumper between these two jumpers on both pads. When you're done, it should look like this. For Tyrannus and Futaba, for example. Otherwise, if you're using Spectrum or other ones, you'd end up looking like this.